Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic Tzatziki sauce using an easy method. This classic Greek dip is incredibly refreshing and simple to prepare at home. We will start by gathering just a few key ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality components to ensure the best flavor. You will be amazed at how quickly you can create this delicious and versatile sauce, perfect for many dishes. Let's get started on this culinary journey together. The first crucial step for perfect tzatziki is preparing your cucumber. You will want to grate one large cucumber using the coarse side of a box grater. After grating, it is absolutely essential to squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This prevents your tzatziki from becoming watery and ensures a thick, creamy consistency. You can use a clean kitchen towel or several layers of paper towels for this important task. This simple step makes all the difference. Now it is time to bring all those wonderful flavors together. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 2 cups of your thick, strained Greek yogurt with the well-drained grated cucumber. Next, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic very finely and add them to the bowl. Stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill and 1 tablespoon of good quality extra virgin olive oil. A pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper will enhance the taste beautifully. Mix everything until it is thoroughly combined. Once your tzatziki is mixed, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period is vital as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious sauce. When you are ready to serve, give it a final stir. Your authentic homemade tzatziki is perfect as a dip for pita bread, a spread for sandwiches, or a refreshing condiment for grilled meats. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.